Welcome to my channel everyone. In today's video, we will discuss how the Agile was born, what is Agile Manifesto and its core values and principles. So let's get started. By the end of 1990s, most thinking leaders had recognized the flaws in waterfall model. Many of them began developing new iterative software development approaches from scratch. In many aspects, iterative development differs fundamentally from waterfall development. Iterative strategies include, like there will be many stages of requirements, design, implementation, testing, and delivery within a few weeks. As a result, the company can release a few features early and generate return on investment. Additionally, they get to frequently adjust requirements and identify any issues early. Since its co-founders believed in performance, many of these iterative techniques were also lightweight. They believed in most straightforward approach to resolving any given issue. Contrary to popular opinion, a lot of these techniques existed before the name Agile was even used, like Scrum, XP, DSTM, and Crystal. Observing the variety of interactive and lightweight techniques in 2001, 17 software practitioners met at the Snowbird Resort. In essence, each invitee came to an understanding of shared values and views. They originally intended name as Adaptable, but due to trademark issues, they chose Agile instead. They agreed on a set of values and principles that is known as Agile Manifesto. Let's see the core values of Agile Manifesto. We are uncovering better ways of developing software by doing it and helping others do it. Through this work, we have come to value individuals and interactions over processes and tools, working software over comprehensive documentation, customer collaboration over contract negotiation, responding to change over following plan. That is, while there is a value in the items on the right, we value the items on the left more. Let's see the principles behind the Agile Manifesto. There are 12 principles behind Agile Manifesto. The first is early delivery of the product. Our highest priority is to satisfy the customer through early and continuous delivery of valuable software. What is most important piece of software development advice? That is, keep your client satisfied. Instead of making your users wait for a single large delivery, try to give software to them frequently during the course of the project. The next principle is adapt to change. Welcome changing requirements, even late in the development. Software engineers should be able to manage project changes made at the last minute. They should be adaptable enough to turn these changes into improvements quickly, reducing delays and ensuring a constant flow of work. The third is frequent delivery. Deliver working software frequently from a couple of weeks to a couple of months with a preference to the shorter time scale. To ensure timely delivery, agile teams divide lengthy projects into manageable time frames. These time frames, known as sprints in the Scrum methodology, typically last 1 to 4 weeks. The next principle is business and developers cooperation. Business people and developers must work together daily throughout the project. Collaboration is essential to agile project management as it was earlier mentioned. The possibility of confusion is reduced and everyone's objectives are maintained when project stakeholders communicate on a daily basis. The next is having motivated individuals. Build the projects around motivated individuals, give them the environment and support they need, and trust them to get the job done. The project is more likely to succeed when the appropriate individuals are assigned to it. Spend time selecting the ideal team, provide them with the tools and the techniques they require, and have trust in their ability to achieve outstanding results. Next principle is face-to-face conversation. The most efficient and effective method of conveying information to and within a development team is by having face-to-face conversation. When teams can communicate face-to-face, barriers are easily broken. Teams should co-locate whenever possible to encourage effective collaboration and increase the flow of information. Zoom is an excellent alternative to phone or email in a remote working environment, allowing individuals to communicate more efficiently via video. The next is working software. The primary measure of progress is working software. You must produce top-notch software if you want to keep your clients happy. Your top priority and success metric should be that everything else is just a side note. The next principle is maintain a constant pace. Agile processes promote sustainable development. The sponsor, developers, and users should be able to maintain a constant pace indefinitely. Agile teams must retain their speed and consistency throughout the whole project lifecycle. They are thus capable of enduring an environment that is continually changing without experiencing delays. The next is technical excellence. Continuous attention to technical excellence and good design enhances agility. Agile emphasizes continuous innovation and improvement rather than just delivering one high quality product and calling it a day. Every iteration should provide some form of new improvement, feature, or update. Next principle is simplicity. The art of maximizing the amount of work not done is essential. The Agile methodology emphasizes meeting requirements and doing just enough to finish a task without overcomplicating things. Avoid wasting time on extra stages that don't actually improve your product. The next principle is self-organizing team. Best architectures, requirements, designs emerge from self-organizing teams. When a team is capable of working independently, why supervise them? You give ideas more room to grow and eventually provide better results by letting them work inside their own framework. The next and the last principle is regular reflections. At a regular intervals, the team reflects on how to become more effective, then tunes and adjusts its behavior accordingly. Regular reviewing team performance enables you to identify possible areas for improvement as well as problems before they become serious. Self-reflection is an important part of a successful agile team since it allows for the eradication of bad practices and the development of new ones. By studying the four values and 12 principles of the Agile Manifesto, software development teams will have a clear understanding of what it truly means to be agile. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. To get all the notification from this channel, don't forget to click on the bell icon.